Hi guys, it's Matthew again, and today is 10th of October 2022. As promised, we promised to release 4 free automated trading bots, and today these bots are out. So we've created an ebook, and in the ebook you will see the link to download the bots. Then the trading guides as well is inside it. You just extract the bot folder. Once you extract it, you will see the installation guide and how to change your stake is right there. So we've launched this ebook today. You can see I just finished the ebook today, and the link right, this is the link right here. We're going to paste the link in the video description as well. Is on the Google Drive. You can see the links right here. Just all you have to do is to just copy this link and paste it into your browser. Then you click on download. So once you click on download, you'll be able to download the ebook freely. I've made it free for everyone. It's not public, so you can download it freely. So you can see in the ebook, you will see all the boats. These are the 4 boats I promised to give out for free. So the boats are out today. So all you need to do is to just download the ebook. You can also share the links with other traders and other newbie traders. You can share it. It's now available publicly. You can see the 4 boats. Once you click on this link to register for a trading account first, then this is the link to download the bots. This is the link to download it. Once you click on the link, it's going to take you straight to where you'll be able to download the bots freely. So all you have to do is to just click on the download button, then you extract the bots. You will see 4 bots in the folder and the PDF guide to run the bots. So you can see other steps as well, how to learn. Then our top strategies, the earning strategies, are also included in the book. So you can see these are the information included in the book and the link to subscribe to all our channels. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels, and just click on the link to download the boat. Then you run the boat on the broker platform. Thanks for watching. Bye.